Hi, I'm Celestial Cindy from www.celestialcindy.com, and this is my sweet one-year-old little baby Phillip. This YouTube video is just a mommy and baby daily vlog video of me and my sweet little one-year-old baby Phillip's day together today. So Daddy went ahead and brought sweet little Phillip's water table outside. I don't know if you can see it. But we're gonna play with the water table today, and we brought some little exciting little toys to play with, some little birds, and this little bird too, little blue bird. I got this little magical toy store. So there's a little bird for my sweet one, and I'm gonna feed Phillip a little bit of whole milk really quick out of the bottle before we get to playing with his little new water table here. Oh, he dropped the little bird. That's okay. Let's get the bird. And we're going to play with the water table. And the little bird. It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Here, get a little bit of milk. Get some little milk today. We're going to get a little bit of milk, and then we're going to play. We're going to have a fun, exciting time today. And we might put a little shade on him so he doesn't get too hot. So he doesn't get too hot today. That's a cute little buddy. It's a very warm day here today. And yesterday, me and Phillip went to the hair salon. We went to the little beauty parlor and Mommy got her hair dyed. I got some hair color, got my roots touched up by my sweet and friendly and lovely hairstylist Sarah at the Greenwich Top Salon, and I absolutely love my hair. Right before me and Phillip came outside, I took a shower and I washed the sweet one, so we're fresh clean ones. We get a fresh clean shower, and I put Phillip's swim diaper on in case Phillip gets a little bit wet playing at his little water table today. And I guess we'll fill up Phillip's water table with a little water hose over there and let Phillip play at the water table and splash around and have a fun time on this beautiful day. I see all the little birds are flying around. It's nice to go outside and relax in nature and just have a relaxing Sunday. But yeah, so we had a fun time yesterday going to the hair salon. It was an all-day adventure. I got the chocolate espresso hair now. It definitely looks a little bit darker brown than the platinum blonde I had before. Mommy got the dark chocolate espresso hair for winter time, for these upcoming winter months, for September, October, November, and December. So I got the hot chocolate hair dye going on for winter. And we're getting sweet with whole milks. He loves whole milks. Here, we gonna back him up just a little bit. It's okay. Did you want to see Mommy? Oh, too bright, okay. Might move you back just a little bit so you can see us a little better. There we go. That's good. Did you like the nappy? He loves whole milk. Phillip can drink whole milk out of a bottle now, so we're very happy that he's drinking the whole milk out of the bottle finally. He's a big strong one. Really happy we got to take a nice relaxing shower today and come outside and get some fresh air. Mommy's the size of a house right now. I'm pregnant with little Luke, yay! The baby bump is really big. I think I weigh like 163 pounds right now. definitely the highest weight I've ever hit in my entire life. 163 pounds, so I'll have to go on the diet after baby Luke is born. I think I ordered some groceries on the Walmart app this morning, and I think the delivery time was like, might have been like between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. So a little bit later today, we'll be getting the Walmart app grocery delivery. I think I ordered Phillip some baby foods, some yummy little treats this morning. So we're gonna get the grocery delivery later today at our house. Yay, Walmart baby foods! You like me, sweet one? I love him. Huh? Hey, I see you, sweet one. I see that little big one. Phillip you still have the blue eyes. Beautiful blue eyes. Yes. Go on. That is beautiful little blue eyes. And he loves yummy home meals. Is it yummy, sweet one? Yummy treat? Did you want to swim in your little pool too? The little baby pool? Mr. Turtle? You can splash splash? Yummy treats. You hear the birds we want? The birds, they say cheep, cheep, cheep. I feel a little Luke moving around. Baby Luke. Really big. Little baby one. I love that silicone. Keep it in. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, Mickey. Hair's still a little bit wet from the shower. It's getting dried out though. Uh-oh. Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh, okay, come on. So pretty soon, coming up here in October or maybe late September, baby TV is going to be the big brother. You're going to be the big brother, sweet one. It's going to be the big brother and the little brother. The big one and the little one. Two little babe ones. Are you excited to meet baby Luke, sweet one? You will love baby Luke. We'll have to get the double stroller for the big baby and the little baby. Yeah, so my due date is October 8th, but you know, due dates aren't set in stone, so we don't know when baby Luke is gonna arrive, but maybe sometime during the first week of October. So we're really excited to meet little baby Luke. I can feel him kicking and moving around. So we know that baby Luke is doing great. You drinking our raw milk? Yummy milky. Hello there, yummy milky. Hey, is on to sleep? Is that sleepy little one? He might be a sleepy little babe. A little bit of a sleepy one. Come on. Just some more milk. We love milk. Are you going to sleep? You fine. That's tired little one. You might be a little bit of a sleepy one. It's okay. You can take a little nap. Yeah. Nice and Mickey. Oh, get that right one, Snoop. That's a milk, Snoop. Want some more, Mickey? You done? Because we... Okay, so let's see, I think that had like 9 ounces of milk in it. So, yeah, 4 ounces left. There we go. So you drank a pretty good amount of the whole milk just now, but there's still 4 ounces left, and there was a little dragonfly, so we'll just put this guy up real quick. And I think Phillip fell asleep on us, even though I brought Phillip outside and I thought we could play with Phillip's little water table today, but I guess after Phillip drank the whole milk, he's a sleepy dear one. He fell asleep. He's a precious little babe. Sometimes the milk and the sunshine will put you right to sleep. I guess he's a sleepy one. Well, since Phillip's asleep, I guess I'll take Phillip back inside and maybe put Phillip in the crib and let him take a nice little nap, and maybe after Phillip wakes up, there will still be some time left that there's still sunshine outside and sunlight, and we can get back outside and let Phillip play with his little water table. He's sleepy. He's a sleepy little baby one. I'm only gonna get a little drink of water real quick. Brought my Beauty and the Beast water rose cup out here from the mall. Definitely a very warm day here. Very warm, very quiet, and very relaxing. Perfect day for a little nap. Alright, so I'm just going to get Phillip out of his little high chair, and maybe we take him inside and let Phillip take a nice relaxing little nap. Because little water table toys too. this one inside. Yeah, there we go.
Hey, sweetie. Let's get into your babe one. We're gonna go inside, take a little nap, out to sleep. Alright, I'm gonna grab the sweet one. Hey, sweetie. That's a sleepy one. Come on. Good. It's a sleepy little babe one. Sleepy one. She's gonna fall to sleep, take a little nap.
He's a sleepy little buddy.
Sleepy one. You wanna go inside, sweetheart, take a little nap? Fall to sleep.
Alright, if you enjoyed watching this daily YouTube vlog video or mommy and baby YouTube vlog video, please click like and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all of our future fun and exciting mommy and baby vlog videos and family vlog videos and product review videos. So just click like and click subscribe. It's completely free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and it helps us out a lot. Right now we have about 730 subscribers on our YouTube channel and our goal is to get 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So please help us make our dreams come true and click that like button and click that subscribe button and click on my username, Celestial Cindy, and check out all the other exciting and fun family videos on our YouTube channel. So click like and click subscribe. We love you guys so much. And if you're a company and you would like me to record a product review video of some of your mommy and baby products, feel free to shoot me an email. My email address is celestialcindy.com@gmail.com, and you spell my email address CELESTIALCINDY.com@gmail.com. So if you're a mommy and baby product company and you would like for me to review one of your mommy and baby products on a YouTube video, we would be honored for you to send us your mommy and baby products to record a YouTube video review of any of your products if you are a company. So just shoot me an email anytime at celestialcindy.com@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful, positive, and relaxing day. Bye. We're gonna head inside.